Children, in the previous class we have seen poem, that is special hero. And I said who is a special hero in that. Now we have to see a supplementary. What is it? The woman on platform 8. So, next we have to see the supplementary, the woman on platform gate. This supplementary, this story, the supplementary is written by Ruskin Bond. In this non-detail, in this supplementary, he has shared his experience when he was a boy of 12. So, he is in the boarding school. He was in the boarding school. So, he travelled all alone. After the vacation, he travelled all alone to the school by himself. Nobody accompanied with him, no father, mother. Because the parents feel somewhat he is old enough to go by himself. So, he himself came to the Ambla railway station and is waiting for the train. He has to go by the train to the school. For the vacation, he came to his house. Again, he goes back to the school. So, in between what has happened on the platform 8 in the Ambla railway station, that he has given as a lesson to us. His experience is nothing else. The poet experience has come as to us a non-detailed supplementary thing, the woman. How the woman helped him. Though he was all alone, God has sent some lady. The lady, though she was a stranger means what? New lady. She gives the support, the warmth like a mother. So that he has said in this. So let us see now. Take your books in the page number 26. It was my second year at the boarding school and I was sitting on the platform number 8 at Ambla station. Children, take your pencils, underline because it's supplementary. You have to find out what are the characters, when this was happened. This and all you have to write. Isn't it? So write properly. It was the second year of the boarding school. That means what? The author was studying in the boarding school. Boarding means what? Everything by themselves. Only vacation only they have to everything they can provide. Like us, not like you all. They have to come to the home, sleeping there and everything. Everything they have to do in the school only. Only at the time of vacation only they have a chance to meet the parents. Okay. Yes, the same like he has come for the vacation. After vacation he has to report to the school. He is going to the school only now. He was waiting in the railway station. It's in the platform number 8 at Ambla railway station. Which railway station it is? Ambla. The platform is what? 8. What's the age for him? 12. It was a second year. I think I was about 12 at that time. That time he was only 12. My parents considered me old enough to travel alone and I had arrived by bus at Ambla early in the evening. He was somewhat before to the train will come evening only. Evening at night only it will come. But he has come somewhat earlier. To be punctual, he came somewhat earlier. He was waiting in the railway station. Now, there was a wait till midnight before my train arrived. So, when the train will arrive? In the midnight. So, from the 4 lesson, what all we keep in the mind? That is, the railway station. What's the railway station? Ambla railway station. Platform number is what? 8. Platform number 8. You have to note down all these things. And he was only 12 years old. He was in the second year of boarding school. Clear? We got all this information from the first 4 lines. Okay? He was. When the train will come? In the night. Midnight only it will come. He is waiting in the railway station. Most of the time I had been facing up and down on the platform, browsing at the bookstall, feeding broken biscuits to the stray dogs. Trains came and went and the platform would be quiet for a while, and then when a train arrived it would be info of aviing, shouting, agitated human bodies. You know, we have seen what are the things occur in the railway station in that time. We do have the same experience when we are waiting for our particular trains. We would have seen the street dogs or the children are giving biscuits to them, many things, the vendors, that sellers, they will be selling this and that. He was watching all the things all around. Okay, yeah. Then. Now, Tired of this game and of ambling about the platform, I sat down on my suitcase and gazed dismally across the railway tracks. He was watching all over. He was moving up and down and was playing some time for that. After that, he feels bored and he was sitting on his suitcase. Suitcase he has to carry with him. So he was sitting on the suitcase and waiting to the surrounding and watching the surrounding. Trolleys rolled past me and I was conscious and cries of various vendors. That is, vendors means what? Those who are selling. Maybe they would have sell the tiffins, biscuits, fruits, whatever it may be. So they are moving off. Suddenly, he felt somebody asked him, "Are you all alone, my son?" asked a soft voice close behind me. Somebody asked him, "Are you all alone?" So instead of asking something, he said, "Are you all alone, my son?" The lady asked, some soft voice. Mostly the soft voice belongs to the ladies only. One lady was standing behind him and he asked, "Are you all alone?" So who's that voice? It's the lady voice. So first convocation, what you are saying, "Are you all alone?" This is the first sentence. You underline the book. I looked up and saw. Immediately he turned back and he saw a woman standing near him. Who was standing? This voice belongs to a woman. Woman singular, women plural. She was leaning over and I saw pale face, dark, kind eyes. So, how the lady, she describes the lady. She was very kind. There is no jewels in her. But the face was what? Pale, not so dark. Okay. She wore no jewels and was dressed simply in a white saree. What saree she wore? White saree. These are the things important to us to find out the characters. Okay, to find out the characters, match the following, everything. So immediately the author responded, "Yes, I am going to school," I said, and stood up respectably. She seemed poor, but there was a dignity about her that commanded respect. Because she was somewhat older enough than him. So just to show the respect, he got up from the place and he said, "Yes, I am all alone, I am going to my school." So the next sentence, "Yes, I am going to the school." Who is the character means what he will say? Yes, I am going to school. Who is the character in this means you have to say author. Here, this is the woman. Are you all alone? This is said by the woman with white saree. This is author Ruskin Bond. You don't write author. You can write Ruskin Bond also along with this. Okay. Then further he said, "I have been watching for you some time." She said, don't your parents come to see you off?" She asked, "Why don't your parents come with you?" Generally 12 years means it's the young age only. No, not enough age. So he said, "Nobody is accompanying you." What he said then? The author said, "I don't live here," I said. "I have to change trains anyhow. I can travel all alone." Then he has said he was in some other place. He was in the boarding school. He is going for the school after the vacation. He said everything clearly to the lady. "I'm sure you can," she said, and liked her for saying that. And I also liked her for simplicity of her dress and for her deep, soft voice. Even the lady, though she is a stranger, she loves the boy, the author, Ruskin Bond, the same like the Ruskin Bond also gives a respect to the lady because very simplicity she is. And her words, he feels that affection. "Tell me what's your name?" she asked. Okay, the lady asked, "What's your name?" Now the author name, as per the thing, is said Arun. What's the name of the hero here? Arun. "And how long do you have to wait for your train?" the lady asked. The first question she asked, "What's their names?" Then she asked, "How long you have to wait?" He said, "About an hour." So how many hours you have to wait? At least minimum 1 hour. I think it comes at 12 o'clock. What time the train will come? 12 o'clock. So more than 1 hour he has to wait for the train. Who said like that? The hero, that Arun said he has to wait for the train more than 1 hour. Then immediately what the lady asked, "Why can't you go and have something?" Because 1 hour is the no. "Come, we'll refresh something," she said. Okay. "Then come with me and have something to eat." Who said? The lady said, "Come with me and have something." I was going to refuse out of shyness, but she took my hand and then I felt it would be silly to pull my hand away. Then immediately, without asking him, he just hold the hand and she was taking him to the dining room, but it's a small canteen which is on the railway platform, rail station platform. Her hand was gentle and she held me neither too firmly nor not too tightly. Too firmly means what? Strongly. Strongavum illa lightaavum. That is just she is holding up the hand. So she must have been over 30 or 50. 30 years only. Actually she was 30 years old. Arun was 12 years old, I said already. The lady was 30 years old lady. The woman was how many years? 30 years, but seems to be 50. Maybe some other horis gives the mature face to her. Okay, actually her age was maybe 30. He said like that, maybe 30 years old, but she seems to be what? 50 years old enough. So they went to the station and she ordered tea and samosas. What are the things they have taken? Refreshments. What are the things? Tea, samosa, and jalebis. Okay, yeah. These are the things they are taking as the refreshment. They have taken tea, samosa and jalebis. Okay. And at once I began to thought, that is thought means what? Thought, and I take a new interest in this kind of woman. She is a stranger, though she is a stranger, she took affection on him and taken him to the railway canteen and gave something provide something to him. So he feels somewhat happy and is giving more respect to that lady. So it's an encounter. Actually the boy also, the Arun also felt somewhat feeling hungry only. But this can be satisfy him. This slight refreshment satisfy his hungry. I was hungry schoolboy and I ate so much as I could in the polite manner as possible. He was taking. She took obvious pleasure in watching me eat and I think it was the food that strengthened the bond between us. So she never took anything. She provided everything to the boy and watching as a mother how he eats the food. Okay. Then there was a strong affection between the author, that is Arun, and the lady, new lady. So, and all the things they used to share. Okay, for under the influence of the tea and sweets, I began to talk quite freely and told her about my school, my friends, my likes and dislikes. Author everything. So by eating, he said everything, that is school, who are the friends and what are the likes and dislikes. Likes means what? Which he likes more, which he dislikes more, everything he said. She questioned me quietly from time to time, but preferred listening. The lady just simply listening and asking in between some questions, but she's not disturbing because he's a young boy. No, he converses everything with her very freely. She drew me out very well, and I had soon forgotten that we were strangers. Within 10 minutes, 15 minutes, actually they have become, they are like son and mother. I did not ask her where she lived. Every question by the lady only. And he only expresses all his stories to her, but she never questioned about him. Okay, yeah. The boy never questioned about that lady, new lady. I accepted her for what she had been to, a quiet, kind and gentle woman who had sweets to a lonely boy on a railway platform. After about half an hour, that is, they finished their dining within half an hour and left dining room and began walking back along the platform. Okay, again they went to the platform and engine was shunting up and down beside platform number 8. Now the train has, that what has come? Engine only has come. A boy leaped off the platform and ran across. Okay, at that time one boy was crossing the platform. The lady is getting worried up and holding the boy's hand very quietly because she may have some experience, we don't know. Okay, some other boy was crossing the railway platform. So I'm seeing that the lady is getting scared and he was holding the boy's hand. Then after the boy was reaching to the other platform very safely, that time only she feels somewhat. This shows maybe that lady would have some flashback. So after the boy reaches safely only, she smiled and said, and took his hand again, but her finger trembles against mine. Her fingers were shaking because the boy was crossing. He may meet some accident, she feels for that. He was all right, I said. So on seeing the feelings of the lady, the boy said, but don't worry, he was all right. He was reaching the other platform very safely. She smiled gratefully at me and pressed my hand because he consoled her. Who consoled her? The boy, the author. Here the story name is, as per the story, his name is Arun. He consoled the lady, nothing to worry, the boy is reaching safely. For that he was very grateful to him. Okay. We walked together in silence until we reached the place where I had left my suitcase. Again she went there. One of my school fellow, Satish, a boy of about my age, had turned up with his mother. After that, who is the friend of Arun? Satish. He is in the same station with his mother. He was not alone, he was with his mother. Okay, yeah. So here the first part ends. So what's the story? The story happens in the Ambla railway station and the platform number 8. It is written by Ruskin Bond. He was 12 years old. He was in the boarding school. After the vacation, he returned to the boarding school. He was all alone because parents are not accompanying with him. When he was waiting the railway station, we used to see what are the things, everything has given here. He was in the second year older. The train will come at 8 o'clock only. He was waiting from till midnight, even earlier he has come. He met a strange lady. The lady seems to be 30 years, only she is 30 years, but seems to be 50 years old enough. She wore white saree. She was very pale and dark, kind eyes. She took the boy, though she is a stranger and he is also a stranger for her. She took the boy to the railway canteen. She provides something for him to eat, that is tea, samosa and jalebis. Okay, yeah. So after that, after finishing everything, they share the stories. Though they are strangers, they have become very close like mother and son. They share all the stories and they reach to the platform again. After they reaching platform again, who was there? His friend Satish. He was also with him in the boarding school. He is waiting there. But he came with his mother. Okay? So clear are you? So underline the important points I said. Second part is the second, and if I complete the second part, lesson will be over. Okay, at least one choose the correct answer, we'll see. The train would have come at 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 11 o'clock. What time I said? The train will come at 12 o'clock. From the first part, we got the answers. Okay, yeah. The strange lady gave dash to Arun, coffee and vadai, tea and bhaji, tea and samosas, black tea and cake. Which is correct? Tea and samosas only. Okay, yeah. So option C is the correct answer. So that is what is related to the first part. Arun was sitting on number platform 8. Platform number 8 I said. Okay. Satish and Arun were dash years old boys. Same years. When Arun is 12 years old, Satish also what? 12 years old only. So which is the correct option for you? Fifth answer. A. Option A is the correct answer. So all the four choose the correct answers belong to the first part only. Satish's mother handed her son a big box of chocolate. That will come into the second part. We will see the second part after this. So is it clear, children? So underline the important points in the, because you have to say the characters by yourself. So take a notebook for classwork, copy down the important character. As soon as the lesson is over, what are the things you know, just write in the pencil in the book itself. After I am giving the answer in the next week, you can clarify whether your answers are correct or not. So let us see in other class.